Today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for TradingView. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel, where we will give you a list of winning indicators, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon. Alright, as I said, today we will be looking at a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 86 different strategies, with 25 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 80% win rate. We've also tested a total of 891 indicators, with 374 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We've also retested in the advanced testing 92 of the winning indicators. 34 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best two, a 76% win rate. Now, if you are interested in a full list of these indicators and strategies along with their win rates, we've compiled all that information into spreadsheets, which you will get when you become a patron of the channel. Now, keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Okay, so today we are looking at a crypto scalping strategy. And so in the source video, they tested the Bitcoin versus the USD Tether on the 15-minute time frame. And so, like most source videos, they claim that this strategy is an amazing strategy with a 100% accuracy. And so, like I said, most source videos that we pull these strategies from make very boisterous claims about what the strategy's capabilities are. And so that's why we test these particular strategies to see if they hold up to the claims made in the source video. Alright, so let's go ahead and take a look at the indicator here. So the indicator itself consists of two different indicators. The first one on screen down here at the bottom is going to be the MACD normalized. And so if you just type in MACD, start typing in normalized, it's this one here by chart prime. And so you'll put that one on screen here at the bottom. The only change you're going to make is to the upper deviation here. You're going to change that to a 1.75 like so. The next indicator you're going to put on screen is going to be the moving average trend sniper. And so again, if you just start typing in moving average trend, let's try that again. Trend sniper right here again by chart prime. And so you'll put that one on screen, and again, we didn't make any changes to this, and so it is on its default settings. Alright, so we'll go ahead and look at a short trade setup here. And so according to the source video, the MACD normalized here at the bottom of the screen is a combination of two indicators. The oscillating line here, the blue and orange oscillating line, is apparently the stochastic, and the columns or the histogram is going to be the MACD. So for a short trade, what we're looking for is when the ribbon breaks up above the 50 line into the upper section. We're then looking for the MACD histogram to give us a red bar. And then we are looking for price to be below the trend sniper line like here. Once that happens, we are then going to take a short position. We're going to put our stop right above the last swing, and then we are going to target a 1 to 2 risk reward here. So right there, and you can see that we get a push to the downside there. That does get us to our take profit. So let's go ahead and take a look at a long trade setup. All right, for a long trade, what we're looking for is the ribbon to break down below that 50 line into the lower zone here. And then we are looking for a green bar on the MACD, and price needs to be above the trend sniper line, like right here. And then what we're going to do, just like before, is we are going to enter a long position. We're going to put a stop right below the last swing low, and then we are going to target that 1 to 2 risk reward right about there. Go ahead and draw this out here, and you can see that we get a push to the upside, does come up and get us to our take profit once again. So before we take a look at what this was able to achieve in the testing, if you would please give this video a thumbs up. Helps the YouTube algorithm, and we want to keep YouTube happy, even if it's not a profitable trading strategy like the source video claims. Please don't give the video a thumbs down. We want to keep YouTube happy, and so we'll do that by giving the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. All right, so the numbers on this after the 50 trade test is we got 18 winning trades and 32 losing trades. Now with a 1 to 2 risk reward, obviously that kind of offsets that quite a bit. But even with that, say with the 18 winning trades, if we were looking to gain $200 per trade, for example, just for easy math, and on the losing side, we had 32 losing trades, and we were risking $100 per trade. Then that means that on the winning side, we'd have $3,600. On the losing side, $3,200, a total gain of $400 altogether. Now that's not horrible. Obviously that puts you in the green a little bit, but that also doesn't account for any commissions or anything like that. So you'd have to account for that. And by the time you get there, you're going to be pretty close to about a break even mark, maybe a little bit in the green. So it's not a horrible trading strategy, not a wonderful trading strategy. Definitely doesn't hold up to the claims from the source video that claimed it was 100% highly accurate trading strategy, and that it basically never lost a trade. And so obviously, if you're looking for a profitable trading strategy, though, I highly recommend you check out the strategy that we have developed here on the channel after testing hundreds of indicators and strategies. I will put a thumbnail of it up on screen right now. I'll also link to it at the end of this video with that same thumbnail. You can just click on that video, go to that source video there, and view the strategy that we have tested, back tested, forward tested, constantly tweaking, optimizing, and making better. We're also looking to automate that strategy. Hopefully that's something we'll have done in the near future. Once we get that done, any of our current patrons at that time will get a discounted version of it for a limited time. And then any new patrons will get access to it at a higher price. And so there is a lot of benefits to becoming a patron of the channel. I highly recommend it. All right, that's it for this strategy here. I think we will go ahead and put this one on the losing list, and we will move on to the next video from here.